Here's a hot take. If I were setting up my estate plan, I would never leave any of my money or assets to my kids outright. Here's what I would do instead. See, here's the problem with setting up a plan where at your death, your kids just receive all of your money and your assets in their name outright right away. Well, if my kids are minors at the time of my death, then they're going to have to go through probate court, which is a long, expensive, and time consuming process, which I don't want them to do. And if my kids are adults at the time of my death, then they could actually lose their inheritance to their future lawsuits, creditors, divorces, bankruptcies, which I also don't want to set them up to be vulnerable to that. So, what's the solution? What would I do instead? Instead, I would set up a living trust with a continuing lifetime asset protection trust built in so that when I die, my children receive their inheritance in a lifetime asset protection trust, meaning they never take ownership of money or assets in their name personally, but instead it's held in this trust for their lifetime for whatever they need. This means that if my kids are minors at the time of my death, they will avoid probate court. And if they're adults, they will have the peace of mind of having lifetime asset protection. So if they do get sued, if they do get divorced, if they do have to file for bankruptcy, this inheritance will remain protected. In my mind, this is the best way to protect all of the assets that I have worked so hard for and to set my kids up for the most success possible. If you're interested in creating asset protection for your kids, let me know in the comments.